If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to tell you one truth. You can't be lazy and legendary at the same time. One has to go. Let's be honest. You don't lack potential. You don't lack talent. You don't lack intelligence. What's costing you is the moments you let yourself off the hook. The extra snooze, the skipped commitment, the I'll do it tomorrow. Those moments don't look dangerous, but they are decisive. Laziness is often disguised. Most laziness doesn't look like doing nothing. It looks like scrolling instead of starting, planning instead of executing, consuming instead of creating, waiting for motivation instead of acting. It feels harmless, but it slowly trains your identity to expect ease. Legendary lives are built on self expectations, not comfort. Accountability is a self respect. Accountability is not punishment, it's self respect in action. Every time you follow through, confidence increases, discipline strengthens, self trust compounds. Every time you don't, your inner authority weakens. You don't need someone watching you. You need to become someone who watches herself. Self correction is a skill. The difference between ordinary and legendary people isn't perfection, it's speed of self correction. They don't spiral, they don't justify, they don't dramatize failure. They notice, they adjust, they move forward. That's mastery. Comfort delays greatness, discipline accelerates it. And every day you choose discipline, you are voting for the legendary version of yourself. Not tomorrow, today. Ask yourself, where am I being lazy with my potential? Where am I avoiding responsibility? What are action am I postponing that would move me forward? Do it today. Not perfectly, but intentionally. You don't need to become someone new. You need to stop betraying the person you already are. Legendary is not loud, it's disciplined. And it starts the moment you stop letting yourself off the hook. You don't need a new personality. You don't need more motivation. You don't need someone to push you. You need to stop abandoning yourself in small moments. Because greatness is not decided in dramatic breakthroughs, it decided in quiet, ordinary choices. The choice to get up when it's uncomfortable, the choice to finish what you started, the choice to keep your words even when no one is watching. That's what legendary actually looks like. Not loud, not perfect, not glamorous, but consistent, reliable, self led. And the moment you stop letting yourself off the hook, your life begins to rise to meet you. Choose discipline today. Choose responsibility. Choose the version of you that doesn't need excuses to move forward. This is where legendary begins. Thank you for being here.